Good morning, respected CEO sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I Kavya is here to speak on something that does not shape the future of mine, but the future of our family, the future of our nation, and the whole world. And that's the education. Well, education is not just about books or exams. It is the key that lights the darkness of ignorance. It is the key that unlocks the door of success, and it is the power that gives the courage to dream and achieve. So, we are going to talk about the role of education in our life. Let us begin with a country that was destroyed during the World War II. Japan. 2 atom bombs fell. City turned into dust, but Japan rose again. Was it luck? No, it was education. From kindergarten schools to science labs, they rebuilt their nation by rebuilding the minds of their students. And here is India. We have a story of a young boy who sold newspaper, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He didn't come from his wealth, but his dreams were rich. And through his education, he became a scientist, a leader, and a president. He says you have to dream before your dream comes true, and education gave wings to his dream. He was born. But let me tell you about the story even more powerful. The story of courage, the story of change, and the story of education. The story of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. He was born in a time of discrimination and untouchability ruled society. Babasaheb was denied water, denied respect, and denied equality. But he never gave up. He studied hard and went to the best university like Columbia and the London School of Economics. With the education, he didn't just improve his own life, but he improved the life of millions of people who were opposed. He used his knowledge to write the Constitution. He used his knowledge to write the Constitution of India, the world's longest written constitution, which gave equality, rights, respect, and freedom. He proved that education is the most powerful weapon to fight with injustice and build a better country. It gave us power to change and injustice and ignorance. Education turns good into wisdom, pain into power, and dreams into destiny. Whether it is Japan rebuilding its nation, or Kalam launching satellites, or America writing history, the roots of it are all education. Education not only gives the knowledge of values like kindness and honesty, education increases the thinking capacity. Education also shapes the personality, and it teaches us how to be. So let's now take our classroom project. Let's treat learning not a pleasure. Education turns dream into reality and students into the leader of tomorrow. So let's now take our classroom chants. Let us treat learning a pleasure, not a privilege, but the chapter we study. Each lesson we learn has a power to rewrite our future. In conclusion, I would say books can be burned, buildings can fall, but education once earned stay forever. Let us carry the light, let us be the change. Thank you.